Czech last year has gone back to the United States for Olympic technical. Has been representing Jamaica at the senior level for quite a few years now. Jodine Williams runs out of lane 2.
Which is also her
200 meter specialist, stepping down to the 100 meters, trying to get on that 4x1.
Natasha Morrison, a 10.96 lady on her best day, runs out of lane 3.
Trains with Maurice Wilson, part of Sprint Tech, got into this final with her new purple hair. 2015, her best year, trying to get back there.
The pocket rocket needs very little or no introduction. She's a joint national record holder and a plethora of other titles.
We call her Mummy Rocket now on her social media pages, Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. She has declared herself Mummy Rocket, running for Zion. She's going to deliver.
That's the smile we're used to seeing.
Shericka Jackson will start from lane 5.
Perhaps most famous for bronze in the Olympics in the 400 meters, then bronze in the World Championships, also in the 400 meters. This year, we call it an off year. She's been experimenting with the 200 meters, got a silver medal behind Shawnee Miller-Weevo of the Bahamas at the Commonwealth Games this year, and now in the 100 meter finals for Jamaica.
Disqualified for false starting last year, this lady, Johnny Smith in lane 6, is looking for redemption this time around.
Fourth at the NCAA Championships, representing Auburn University. New minted PB 1111, formerly of Wilmot High School for Girls, just like Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce.
This is the joint national record holder and Olympic champion, Elaine Thompson.
2016, by far her best year in track and field. Gold in the 100 meters at the Rio Olympics, gold in the 200 meters at the Rio Olympics. Her PB 1070 would serve her very well right now.
In lane 8, rounding out the lineup, it's little Brianna Williams. Ran a cracking 11:13 earlier this year in Jacksonville, Florida. That was in March.
The world best ever for a 15-year-old, breaking Marion Jones's record in the 100 meters. She has run 11:13 this year. She earned her spot in this final, and I believe will acquit herself exceptionally well.
This is the penultimate event on the track here this evening. The men's equivalent will pull the curtain down on day 2 of these championships. That's Elaine Thompson. 10.93 this year. 10.70. Her best. It's a joint national record alongside Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce.
So, Spencer, tell us, does a fast starting Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce hold on, or does a fast finishing Elaine Thompson catch her?
Fraser-Pryce looks like she's rounding back into form. 11.52 to 11.33 to 11.10 to 11.15 in the semifinals. That's her series of events since coming back to the track this year. The set position now. And away they go. Fraser-Pryce got a fantastic start. Natasha Morris is trying to come from behind. So to Elaine Thompson.
Let's go,
Fraser-Pryce from Thompson. Thompson now steps into top gear and goes away for the victory in 11.04 seconds. Fraser-Pryce may have held on for second. Elaine Thompson had to come from behind, and she got the job done in 11.01 seconds.
National champion Elaine Thompson, second place Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce. The Olympic champions clashed, and what a delivery. In third place, it would be a new big personal best for Shericka Jackson at 11.13. Well, let's look at it, Jillian Russell-Love.
As usual, Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce gets a fantastic start here. I think she might have gotten up just a little bit into her running form too quickly. But you see her there really striding away, and then Elaine Thompson, very patient, not panicking at all, reels her in just in the last 10 meters of the race. But Shelly-Ann gets out really well, and I have to say how difficult it is coming back from motherhood. No, I'm serious.
I agree.
I don't know how many track and field athletes have successfully done so. So for her to come out here and run so well, and just a year after giving birth, it's fantastic to see this. And Elaine knows that it's going to be even tougher next year, but congratulations to her this year.
The 100-meter final at the 2018 Jamaican National Senior Trials lived up to its reputation as one of the season's most exhilarating events. Featuring a powerful lineup of sprinting icons, the stage was set for an epic showdown, and it did not disappoint. Olympic champion Elaine Thompson-Herah stormed back into form with a decisive win, clocking 11.01 seconds to seize the national crown. The lineup was a showcase of Jamaica's sprinting depth, each competitor bringing distinct strengths and compelling stories. Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce, affectionately dubbed the Mommy Rocket, returned to the national stage just a year after giving birth. A legend with multiple Olympic and world titles, Fraser-Pryce was met with roaring support, known for her explosive starts and relentless drive. Natasha Morrison, stationed in lane 3, entered the race with a best of 10.96 seconds, banking on her steadiness and seasoned experience. Shericka Jackson, typically dominant in the 200m and 400m, ventured into the 100m with growing confidence. The field also welcomed teenage phenom Brianna Williams, a rising star whose performances earlier in the season had already turned heads. Thompson-Herah, occupying lane 7, was no stranger to the spotlight. With 2 Olympic gold medals from Rio 2016, she came in as a seasoned force, though recent injuries had interrupted her momentum. Still, her reputation for a fierce finish kept her a major contender. At the start, Fraser-Pryce launched out of the blocks with her trademark quickness, immediately taking the lead. Morrison and Jackson held firm in the chase, while Thompson-Herah was slower off the mark. But her calm approach and trademark finishing power soon became evident. With around 20 meters left, Thompson-Herah ignited her closing speed. Her long, aggressive strides reeled in Fraser-Pryce, and with sharp focus, she surged to the front, stopping the clock at 11.01. Fraser-Pryce held on for a strong second-place finish, a testament to her enduring greatness. Jackson crossed in third, notching a new personal best of 11.13, signaling her growing prowess in the shorter sprint. Thompson-Herah's victory was more than a win, it was a statement. Despite setbacks and inconsistency, she executed a smart, powerful race, reasserting her place among the world's best. Her performance left no doubt. She was gearing up for global dominance once again. Fraser-Pryce's return was equally awe-inspiring. Managing the demands of motherhood alongside elite training, she reminded fans of the strength and determination that have defined her career. Her runner-up finish confirmed that her competitive fire was still burning bright. Jackson's podium finish illustrated her expanding skill set. Known largely for her 400m speed, her emergence in the 100m hinted at a promising new chapter in her sprinting journey. This final was a vivid reminder of Jamaica's unmatched sprinting tradition. With established champions still performing at the highest level and emerging talents like Williams waiting in the wings, the island's sprint legacy remains unshakable. As these women pivot toward global competitions, expectations are sky-high. Whether chasing records, personal milestones, or podium finishes, they continue to exemplify discipline, courage, and world-class talent. Thompson-Herah's 2018 win captured the essence of greatness. It's not just about winning, but about rising above obstacles and delivering when it counts most.